Sizable Jan Jagran rally takes out at Khangabo. UN condemns Citizenship Amendment Act of India. And non-local hurt in Imphal City IED blast. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. A sizable Jan Jagran rally was held today in Manipur's Thoubal district, a big show by BJP workers and their supporters in Manipur in support of the Citizenship Amendment Act. The rally was kicked off from Khangabod Mayai Laikai of Thoubal district at 1 p.m. Later, a public meeting was held at Bashu Ground, Khangabok. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit and several BJP MLAs took part in the rally organized by Khangabok BJP Mandal. It may be mentioned that the state BJP is also planning to hold a pro-CAA rally in Imphal tomorrow amidst strong opposition from several quarters. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister N. Biren said that his government is all set to ensure complete implementation of inner line permit system in the state from January 1st next. Chief Minister said that the centre along with the state government have introduced ILP in the state considering the demand of the people and the need to protect their interests, and for that everyone needs to appreciate Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and other leaders.
Sainga koi birabani tungi damakta tungi mirol ki damakta ngasi ki mirol ki damakta koi kanbiramabani aduna BJP ki tawimal se ai khoi na khoi ki ponsin leningai singsi haibasi medai mayamda appeal tongni corruption oigara anything mutat ki haragadi makok ta ki mutat kadaban makok ai khoi se ai khoi na senga ban mito da lebak senga ni ai khoi na he moling lebak mot kini ai khoi seng badai aduna BJP Sarkar Hujik Kit Kisidi Amkana Sanding Grady, Madam Di Karino Harkan Sain Hagibudo, Bharat Hibase Ninka Tamba sovereign country money, Bharat Ki Manung the Kanalaga Lagade Lego, the Gase, Bharat Equin Lepo the Bani, Pakistan, Lepoyaroi, Bangladesh, Lepoyaroi, American Lepoyaroi.
Pro-Citizenship Amendment Act rally organized by BJP has drawn condemnation from several quarters. Manipur People's Democratic Front has also expressed stiff opposition to the rally, claiming that such rally is against every Manipuri. Talking to reporters at the Manipur Press Club in Imphal today, MPDF Secretary Sapam Samungao lambasted BJP Manipur Pradesh for allegedly misusing power and supporting CAA in Manipur.
Support Toga, Achowami Pamama, Pamaga, Nataga, support Tori Hibegi, Sembedi, Utpa, when a release a cane, Hive City, Manipur, Praja, Miyangi Mayoka, Sarpaga Pankang, any Koiloi, Rimataka, Saka, 5 in all the power in their hell Lavanina, Komaga Tawai, Nataga, Kom, Draga Nataga, my Magi, Kenny, American Tawai, Citizen Amendment Bill, Pasogoyaro, Hadana. Manipur da northeast da bahar ki jaga da irang holding ai maraks data inner line permit system sanar ne declare tawre koi ma do support or oppose tawre malugi meri di meri later on koi discuss tawgini aduga maraks data koi ki inner line permit system sanar ne declare tawgi haraw phongdogi release ne highway city against the people of Manipur.
The United Nations has condemned the Citizenship Amendment Act of India, calling it fundamentally discriminatory in nature, while expressing concern over the contentious CAA and urges the Supreme Court of India to consider the compatibility of the new legislation in accordance with the country's international human rights obligations, media reports said. The CAA offers citizenship to Hindus, Sikhs, Jains, Parsis, Buddhists and Christians from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan. It also relaxes the requirement of acquiring citizenship from 11 to 6 years. The CAA has triggered widespread protests across the country, especially in the northeast and more so in Assam. One civilian was injured when a high-intensity improvised explosive device exploded at Ngari Gali of Thangal Bazar in the heart of Imphal city early this morning. According to a police report, the explosion took place around 5 a.m. in front of a shop owned by one Pradeep hailing from Silchar in Assam. The shop was partially damaged in the blast. The injured was identified as Sivaji. Following the incident, police conducted a massive combing operation in and around Thangal Bazar, but there were no reports of any arrest. Meanwhile, an object suspected to be a bomb was found near a toll tax counter located in the vicinity of 6 Assam Rifles post at Lilong in Thobal district early this morning. Reportedly, a bomb disposal squad arrived at the scene, and upon examining the object, it turned out to be a Hawks bomb. We have a short commercial break coming up next. MPCC observes 135th Foundation Day of INC. More after the break.
Young what?
Soktabanu Ludi.
Wabdo Koknava Rebalance.
Soktabadu Kongnava Rebalance.
Rebalance Habadi, Electrolytes Amadi Energy. Rebalance.
Lagliba December 28 ki January mga fauba Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMT na sinduna. Churachandpur District ki manung chana leiriba MMI Complex Lamdanda Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 pangthok cheragani. District ki package oina lobi bagi khudong chabusu leijari. Trekking, caving, boat race, rafting, motorboating khaktanatana camping na chingba event kaya amasu yaugadauri. Festival asida sarugyanabagidamak contact tawbiyo Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association contact number 7005627984 natraga 7005165120.
Admission open for the session 2020-21. Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool, Kawasa Falerak near Nursing Mandir. Facilities available. Digitally smart class, transport facility, fully trained staff, spacious classroom, friendly environment, hygienic midday meal. For more details, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool. Contact number 700513143 or 700517235.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singoiba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adomgi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudimaki gari kaya su bandan lauzari. Christmas ki oiba kanaba offer su pisari.
Akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitain in the Temple Natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Havam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Laurembam Enterprises Makal Kayagi furniture items Pangbiragani Maruina sofa set, office table amadi chair set, wedding set asina chingbani. Furniture item malaybada chada tara mangadagi kun fauba discount pijari. Loinana Christmas amadi New Year gidamak akhanaba offer su pijari. Mattress pambiba singna Slipwell Moirang khomdagi lobi biyagani. Akopa moral gidamak lengsin birau Laurembam Enterprises Kanchipur opposite Manipur University. Akogi contact number 97741-32867 natraga 8787675251. Mangalam Enterprises. Exclusive and top branded household as well as office furniture items available. Please avail our season offer before first week of January. Offer up to 50% discount. For more details, please visit Mangalam Enterprises, Kaisampat Kaisamlaikai, Imphal.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba tawjari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yumthang nariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lawba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak sep tawshin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Welcome back. The Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee today observed the 135th Foundation Day of Indian National Congress. Congress party across the country organized various events to mark the day. PCC held the function at Congress Bhavan complex located at BT Road, Imphal. PCC leader and former Chief Minister Okram Iwobi, Congress Working Committee member Gai Khangam, former PCC President T.N. Haukip were also present during the observance. The Congress on its 135th Foundation Day said India has always come first for it through the ages and sacrifice for the nation stands above all else for the party. On the occasion, Congress Chief Sonia Gandhi hoisted the party's flag at its headquarters here at 24 Akbar Road. Sacrifice for the nation stands above all else for the Congress party. From the time of our foundation through the Indian independence movement and for all the days to come, India comes first, the party said on its official Twitter handle. 135 years of unity, 135 years of justice, 135 years of equality, 135 years of ahimsa, 135 years of freedom. Today we celebrate 135 years of Indian National Congress, it said. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, senior Congress leaders A.K. Antony, Motilal Vora and Anand Sharma among others attended the event.
Emergency henba sathi badumba saswan hardo je ko thingai I think the fundamental rights, right to religion, right to expression, and I think individual liberty may am say ama khom nei tre nang ning ba shon ning ba yaroi nang nang ni badunga me yaroi I think the palm line is standard badi ana I some those nang me yaroi type of hormones, labor sasson undeclared emergency have the point of need. Emergency lay come up, I put the come emergency take it for here, Sativa. I do the sasson, but country Macabre, lady in head. Where there is no distant voice, where there is no voice of the minority, Madam, democracy later. Housing among the health sector, try no primary health center, Jingisina, Jingiawa. Current of the primary health sector. Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Manipuri to the land, doctors who lay over primary health center on the Anogo side. Another primary health center on the Anogo side. Current district Amadam, district hospitals high, I will say, on the Putopio. Madam Luki, a UK government, Madam Sasson, over Madam to the D. I put in a northeastern state things here, resource legislative state ni Haina. I call that Tonga special plan assistant Mayama Pina. District Kuding is Halva, Sing the Kange, Tampak is Halva. District hospital 100 bedded, 50 bedded, Sargamiam, primary health center, primary structure is Sargamiam Sing. Matamduki Congress na using by UP government na for the special plan assistant period Sarva Matani.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi today said that Assam might return to the path of violence due to policies of the BJP governments at the centre and the state. As per media reports, Gandhi was addressing a public rally in Guwahati, Assam. He said the BJP and the RSS will not be allowed to attack the culture, language and identity of Assam and the Northeast. Rahul Gandhi also added everyone has to come together and tell the BJP leaders that they can't attack the culture, language, identity and history of the state. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam stated that a society progresses because of efforts and contributions made by people. Infrastructure development does not necessarily mean inclusive development. The minister was participating in the 36th Foundation Day celebration of Ideal Youth Club at Narankonjin, Mamanglekai, during which World Guinness record holder Thonaljam Niranjayam was felicitated. Karam Shyam also stressed on the importance of role played by local clubs in the development of a society. He urged one and all to extend support to each other for the development of the society. He assured of providing better roads and infrastructure for Narankonjin, apart from setting up of an eco park in the area.
Karma mafamda ai kari tawgadagi na khanbadune bai koi da darkar orise aduna hoje ani suba ahum suba semgalakadaba ngasi naringonjin gi prajasingna thamjaramge adubu hariba thabaksingi tawba kanda cooperation changi.
Manipur Police today released Manpack convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar without any condition. Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar was arrested on the charge of spearheading protests against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill, now Citizenship Amendment Act, on November 19. Dilip Kumar said that public demonstration and protests cannot be suppressed by his arrest. He said that the government is trying to gag the voice of the people in a democratic country. He condemned the act of police.
Karigumba khara hairu bagi karigumba khara ngang bagi damakta ekta phagatana bukatana thamba and hairu bagi am nuaitaba thodo amadi oi chief minister masamangna CB sina sohalakani habagi aki belai badagi protective measure happy yu haidna jangjalu robane haijaru robane yabi raktana halakpa matamda amuk taram no wokhibani leiriba miyamgi fundamental rights si matbagi thabak aduga miyam machin menbagi thabak sidi Hamakai Hadhaningi, Aduna Dragadi, Laiba, democratic country Amata, Hing Madawa, Kaneda.
Idiasi democracy Sadi Hina de Kana Lauriba, also democratic country Hina Lauriba, Asum Laiba Amada, Miyangi Aki Kampira Kanda, not Dragon Miyamu, Hadat Munsalakanda, Miyangi, Lady Freedom of Speech to Adu, Mahangani Amusumi, the citizen give fundamental right, Adu Mahangani Hina, Hamlet Kongkang, say, Machina. Main peki machine men bam so ko yam machine men ba kedo ngamoy habse masi manipur la yang tangai khambi tangai khade habse ko mai kede thamjage.
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization has accused the Manipur government of misusing the anti-corruption cell. Talking to media at MMWO office Hatta in Imphal, Organization Secretary General Aminuddin Mujingmayum claimed that despite setting up a special investigation team in April last to initiate investigation into misuse of fund meant for scholarship scheme sanctioned under MOBC, no reports have come in yet.
Pre-matric scholarship ki yam laba senfam mama fake account da kaksingi UBI branch tagi huran khiba hairiba huran khiba officer singdo ngasi di masa gi chauki ko na nungai na di department da hallaga phamal leba aduga di masigi matang se koina Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization kayara khana government da memorandum vision remind to khore adu ngasi bhawda madugi paukhum ngai boina khoi ji leire hoji ngasi bhawda paukhum phangdana leire masida Hajan Ninglibadi, Nasi, Palibalingak, anti corruption, sale Niga and Hangdokana, corruption you mayok the lepi, Miga and Lepise, Huran Basing Kankapiana, Madugi, Maikum Upi Brahabase, Masi, Luki, Maike degi, Hangzeri.
Oripok Kangchup Road Auto Mega Diesel Association said that though diesel autos cause air pollution and noise pollution, they provide jobs to many unemployed people. Association General Secretary Salai Khombal Ashram said this during the 13th Foundation Day celebration of the association at Mana Ingkhol, Imphal today. Marking the anniversary, 105 autos under the association relaxed auto fare to the public since yesterday. He also expressed concern over problem of traffic and parking space in Imphal city area.
Aikoina garigi lamgi loimak lakpanina aikoina parking se ani dang ahum dang arrange tawbiu haibada koi awaba mayam transport department da aikoiga moiga gi marakta nungai taba aikoigi pen daba sigum bagi di adum lei aduga aikoge locality hai tare lam singsidadi adugumba gi parking gi khudong sabadi loinamak lei aduga Imphal gi bazar gi area da ko sigi parking gi khudong sabase akoida yamna phangjade.
Chairperson of Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board, Manipur, Haikam Dingo today inaugurated a 7-cleanse outlet at Uripok, Huidrum Lekai, Imphal. The new outlet deals in school uniforms. Social scientist Dhanabir Laishram, Allahabad Bank Chief Minister and outlet owner Thomas were present at the function. Haikam Dingo appreciated the initiative, adding that the outlet will meet requirement of school uniforms in the state. Proprietor Thomas said that the outlet will ease public inconveniences caused by costly school uniforms in the state. We have another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnai na coaching tohanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Dakshila Imphal branch at Dakshila Heights, Thamaban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Taste of Imphal. Speedifying for delivery. Download now.
Lagliba December 28 gi January 5 fauba Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMT na sinduna Churachandpur District ki manung chana leiriba MMI Complex Lamdanda Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 pangthok charagani. District ki package oina lobi bagi khudong chabasu leijari. Trekking, caving, boat race, rafting, motorboating khaktanatana camping na chingba event kaya amasu yaugadawri. Festival asida sarugyanabagidama contact taubiyo Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association contact number 7005627984 natraga 7005165120.
I target aina politician pois da aina I khoi the humanity ma mangak pudong na ai issue sida
Nagasu Nagagi issue, Maitegi issue, Muslims issue, Cookies issue, Mamagi issues the loina concentrate to community da. Apunba state ki structure ama udam. State ki wena wangang ba mi se apunba gi se. You rakta mai magi koi startup ki makhada khoina fund ga piraga paisa ga piraka na moina sida Manipur ga halaga masa akhoi own product ga puthok na tawbusing se. Masugum basidai politics tawbagi nungai badu di phawe. Aduga marak ta mok politics kari nungi tawrubuno ina khalak kari nungi tawrubuno ai masi ai pothara ge da kaina.
Welcome back. Nagaland has been experiencing unusual cold over the past 2 days. Snowfall and rain were witnessed in many parts of the state since Thursday evening and yesterday early morning, leading to a drastic dip in the temperature. According to reports, severe cold is being experienced in the districts of Zunheboto, Fake, Tuensang, Kifere, Ferren and Kohima, with maximum temperature hovering between 7 to 14 degrees Celsius during daytime and beatingly chilling 3 degrees Celsius during nighttime. The cold wave spell was accompanied by wind and rain in many areas. Snowfall was witnessed in Tokiye town, Luveshe Old and Hoshefu villages under Hunato subdivision, Zunheboto Zavame village in Fake district under Futsero subdivision, Koetsurkior and Konya villages under Tuensang district, Fisame village under Kifere district and Zuleke under Kohima district yesterday. Even Dimapur, known for its humidity and high temperature during summer and a cool winter, shivered with temperature recorded at 16 degrees Celsius on average yesterday. The Delhi today recorded its coldest day of the season as the minimum temperature plummeted to 2.4 degrees Celsius in the morning as per a report. Dense fog enveloped the city, reducing visibility and affecting air traffic and vehicular movement in the streets. Mercury fell to its lowest in Delhi this season, with the Safdargunj Observatory, whose reading is considered the official marking for the city, recording 2.4 degrees Celsius in the morning. Due to very dense fog, zero visibility was reported in Palam Observatory area, which neighbors the city airport. 4 flights have been diverted from Delhi airport as of today. A new intercontinental weapon that can fly 27 times the speed of sound became operational Friday, Russia's defense minister reported to President Vladimir Putin, bolstering the country's nuclear strike capability. Putin has described the avant-garde hypersonic glide vehicle as a technological breakthrough comparable to the 1957 Soviet launch of the first satellite, a media report said. The new Russian weapon and a similar system being developed by China have troubled the United States, which has pondered defense strategies. At least 61 people were killed and dozens are wounded in a deadly bomb attack at a busy checkpoint of Somalia's capital, Mogadishu, today. According to a media report, rescuers carried dead bodies past the twisted wreckage of a vehicle and minibus taxis smeared with blood. The injured were transported to Medina Hospital with the help of ambulances. No one claimed responsibility for the blast, the report added. Now we have the sports news. Mary Kom defeated Nikhat Zareen today in the finals of the ongoing women's boxing Olympic trials in the 51 kg weight category at the Indira Gandhi Stadium. The 6-time world champion defeated Zareen 9-1 in the much talked about bout. The previous day, Mary Kom defeated her opponent Ritu Grewal in a unanimous decision, while Zareen too outclassed her opponent Jyoti in a unanimous decision. The third under-15 rapid chess tournament has kicked off today at Salai Chess Academy, Uripok, Huidromlekai, Unfal. Organized by Salai Chess Academy, 32 players, including 10 girls from various schools of Manipur, are participating in the 2-day-long tournament. Manipur University archers have so far bagged 5 medals, including a gold medal at the All India Inter-University Archery Man and Women Championship 2019-20 at KIIT University, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. The championship, which began from December 26, will continue till December 30. Lamjingbatomtv Social Development Club, under the aegis of All India Football Federation, the Manipur Football Association and 10 Golden Baby League 2019-20 opened the first Lamjingbatomtv Social Development Club Golden Baby League at Lashal Ground, Nambol today. Kainau RFCC defeated KYVO Kunfam by 9-0 in the opening match, while YSWC Lamjingbatomtv beat Herojit Football Academy by 8-0 in the second match today. Now the top news headlines once again. Sizable Janjagran rally takes out at Khangabok. UN condemns Citizenship Amendment Act of India. And non-local hurt in Imphal City IED blast. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.